All right, guys, we got you a 2019 Ford Mustang 5.0, fully loaded. It used to have the active exhaust on it and all that. We cut that off. We're going to show you what we did to it in a second. There it is, 5.0 Coyote. Got factory converters, as usual, there and there. Then we did an X-pipe about 6 months ago. Took the resonator out and put an X-pipe in its place. And then what we put out on the back, as you guys can see there and there, is two DYNOMAX race bullets, 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them, right there and right there. And then we also finished it off with some quad tips, just to complete the look. Really nice quad tips. I'll see if I can get you guys a link in the description for them. It's really nice. They're staggered quad tips, so you guys can see one is longer than the other, just to go with the bend. Comes out really nice. And then on the active exhaust, if you ever take it to a mechanic, you just tell them to zip tie them away and put them inside the bumper on each side, like right there. That's what we did, there and there. Just zip tied them away. So if they ever need to put them back in, they can. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there. All right, there's the mufflers that we cut off. I don't know why they have them all the way over there, but they do. There's the two mufflers we cut off, there and there. And then the active exhaust goes on one of the tips, as you guys can see right there. There's the active exhaust. Has a flange that opens and closes depending on mode. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Ford Mustang GT rear muffler delete with DYNOMAX race bullets and active exhaust delete. Go ahead with X-pipe in the center. Much better. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 120, bro. Again. Much better. Let it idle. That's what it sounds at idle. Give it gas. Again. Yeah, it's so much better. Go ahead and back it out.